And we're back. Hello, it's me, Dark Ephemera, Dark Arts and Crafts. And here's another video with the Sakura Densya Rolife Bookend. So I'm just going to get this puppy out right here. Sakura Densya. Nice. And right now we just started building the train, and I think we're going to be continuing doing that. Okay, these are the parts we made the other day. And I'm going to hold off painting this. I'm not entirely sure. So if these are the wheels, I would think the wheels would be black, but anyway, I don't know. I'm just going to leave this over here in my box of done things. And I'm going to look to see what we're doing next. So we're going to start with F3. Oh, we're going to need this actually. All things are being put onto here. F3. F is that we're going to need some A's. And the glue is going to come out. Cool. Oh, here's your F's. And here are the people. So it's F3, some people. Oh, and a train conductor. That's so cute. Man, I would paint that if I could. I feel like I'm not going to be capable of doing that. That's too artistic for the likes of me. So F3 goes, and this is the train. Oh, I see what this is. This is the steps. I'm so dumb. This is the steps leading up into the train. So silly. All right. It would be this hole and this hole, I think. Yep. In you go. There we go. All right. Oh, I don't know. I do really want to paint these guys, but maybe I'll have a chance later. Okay. A3. No, A's here. A3. It says polish. Polish. With the... Come on out. Oh, come on out. It is not releasing from this end. Okay. Come out. Well, definitely polish. It'll look nice. I mean, there's probably something to be said for painting details before you glue the things down, but also I painted this in several places and then this back part came on and I was like, oh, I didn't need to do that. And basically this is all you're going to see. Yeah, I didn't need to do that. All right, A3. So the blank side, or the, I don't know which is the blank side. Also, why don't I see this angle? And also maybe because this is the angle, this is the side. Oh dear. Okay. One, I take this and I stick it in here. Oh, I'm not going to get a chance to paint these at all. Oh, there's just going to be vague shadow people in the background. All right, well, let them just be silhouettes then. Okay, now glue? No. Okay, so then you wrap this around. This goes in here, and these two go in here. Work. Right, hang on. Sorry if I'm not in the way, and so you can see what I'm doing, and then this wraps to here. Come on in, go on in. I feel like things are cracking and snapping and popping. Oh, I see. It needs to go just a little bit further back and then slides in. Beautiful. Push and push. Okay. Did I put that? No, that's fine. Okay. I guess the back doesn't need glass because all you're going to see is this side anyway. Here's a close-up. All those people in there I was going to paint, but no, too late. All right, too late. It's too late. It's fine. It's fine. Step 2 is to take this polished A3 and just stick it in. So there's a lot of people on like the Reddit board who don't like Monarch because it does talk a lot about people. But to me, if you think about Godzilla and these giant monsters as natural disasters, then all people can do is kind of ride that wave, is like be present and try to continue to exist, try to survive in the face of it. There's very little, like you're not really going to make too much of a difference in terms of stopping them or whatever. Just going to try to exist. This is looking pretty darn good, but those edges need to be painted, and I'm still uncertain about this. Let me quick look at the box, because I just want to see how much you're going to see. So you're going to see just the bottom here, and I think if I painted the wheels black, that would be pretty good. You see the people. There is lights in here. That looks awful shiny. I don't know if that's where lights are coming from. There's a light up here. Yeah, there's lights. I'm not sure where they go just yet. But maybe one of these. It's sweet. So I finished this 1 and 2. Shows me how to bend it. And I need now F2, which was those other pieces that were left behind. One of which I broke. This here. And what am I supposed to do with this? Glue along reference lines. F2 has spare parts. Oh, am I just supposed to put one? Oh, hang on. I'm just gonna, don't want to, okay, yeah. Okay. Clean you up. So I like to have people and hear about their lives, But when they try to make it their, and this is from original Japanese movies, when they try to make it their life mission to get rid of Godzilla, it never ends well. It never ends well. Your whole goal is just to survive. So there's a green line, and I'm guessing I put this here as dimension with the green light facing out. Okay. Glue? Oh, please tell me it's sitting right in front of me and I can't see it. What did I do? It's sitting right in front of me and I couldn't see it. There you go. So these are the guidelines, and I'm going to be trying to be as careful as possible to put the smallest amount on. And here. Oh God, that's too much. Tell you this right now, it's too much. A pair of reverse scissors, tweezers, I mean. Super cool thing to have. I'll put this one on first. Reverse tweezers are very cool. They're less, you know, they take less aggravating somehow. Yeah. Oh, it shifted and it doesn't seem to like it. No, come on. I need to tap you back into place just a tiny bit. Follow the guidelines. What is wrong? It did not like the small amount of glue that I gave it. Decided to rebel. Okay, come on. This one didn't give me trouble. There you go. The door now has a jam, a door jam. Also, I got glue on these tweezers the other day. Ugh. Awesome. Glue along reference lines, and F2 has spare parts, one of which I broke, and the other spare part is here. That's very nice. Thank you. They probably realized that that was a tipping point where people keep breaking them. So here's the broken one. All right. You know what? I'm going to get this stiff. I got this stiff brush so that I could clean up some of the glue. But don't go too crazy. Okay. All right. And I just rubbed glue on my trousers. Oh man. Well, I hope that comes out. This is super cool. I definitely would need to paint these steps. I think steps like this, steps like these are metal, so this should be black. Might want to paint the wheels black too. Do something on the side here if I could match that green. I don't know what greens I have in my set. But yeah. Let's see what's next. All right, we're continuing to do things to this little guy here. We need C39. C is the thinner, looks like all of these are C's. So I'll put A up. Oh, it's falling apart on me. C is this thinner cardstock that has more pretty imagery on it. All the little Sakuras. Oh, look at these. These are individual ones. I think I sprinkled them around like magic. What am I looking for? 37. 37. Okay. There's two of them. Let's poke them both out. Okay. Oh, wow, I don't know what direction this goes in. And also there's flash on it, and because it's so small, I think it looks awful. I'm sorry about my head. I need to look. I see, it's this way. Okay. So I'm taking this, and C37 has spare parts, so there you go, spare parts. And I'm putting a drop of glue here. It's been raining all day. Some lovely gutter sounds happening now. I was stuck on the thing. Darn. They're pressing. There we go. I don't know what that means. Is it a number? I looked at it. It goes in this direction. Let's see if you can see what it says. It kind of looks like XI, but I know it's not that. It's in Japanese. And a lot of the glue squirted out of the front. So let me clear that up. And it's a little easier to see now, but still, I have no idea. All right, next. C33. Still with C here. Let's see, the 30s were down here. 30, what? Yeah, 33. Oh, here. Okay. Ooh, this is scary looking. So, I'm going to fold this. And I'm guessing it goes... Oh, I did do this wrong. This word here, I don't know if you can see it. That word that's on that piece of glass should have been here on this side. Oh, dumb. It's probably upside down too. No, it doesn't look upside down. Oh, that just means I put it on the wrong way. No biggie. Me make mistake. So this goes... Is there a hole there? Yeah, I guess there's a hole there. Man. Here. Bend it around. And there. Was there any glue involved? No. Wait. Maybe. Maybe a little glue would have been nice. But it's pretty solid, so we'll just leave it. If I feel compelled, I can glue the tips there. It says add a dab of glue on the shaded areas. On the inside? Oh no, I'm going to put some headlamps on it. C12. I'm like, what? 12 little yellow headlamps. My thumbs are too fat. And that's too fat too. All right, here we go. So these are just little headlamps. You're not even really going to be able to see this angle too well. So that's kind of funny. Wow. That was terrible. I need to adjust that. Okay. A little messy. Kind of got the glue all over the place, but there you go. Clean it up. Nice and neat. Okay. Little headlamps. Boop, 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 boop. Oh. Cool. So that's the headlamps. I feel like there's got to be something on the front there. Let me get this closed up. And we'll check the time because, like I said, each episode is going to be a half an hour long. So we've got through sorry, these two steps. And is this all? This is 8. This is 9. Is this all part of 9? They stopped numbering them. They stopped numbering the steps. Wait a second, what? No, here's 10. Oh, so all this is one giant step. You're crazy. Okay. So we did this. We got the people in there. We built the train. And we got headlights on. So now flippy over. Let's see what we got on this side. A2. A is again this thing. And I think actually A2 might have fallen off. Nope, there's A2. It's hanging on by a thread. And they want you to polish it. Oh, it's so miserable here. It's so damp today. It's been raining all day. But I had a nice day at work. And now I'm here doing this. Hanging out. I'm drinking ginger tea. It's stone cold, but whoa! It's still sharp as a tack. Okay, where are we? So A2. Oh. And also G7. Okay. 1. Sand shaded areas with the sandpaper. The edges, yeah, okay. Cool. That way it's nice and smooth. So this, I'm guessing goes here, but I have to make sure that the holes line up because more stuff is going in. And that just gives a nicer, thick look to it. That's nice. But let me see, what are they saying? Polish, step 1. Step 2, stick that in. So I guess we're not gluing this? We are not gluing this. It is just being stuck in. So we need G, 6, 7, and 9. G. Let's see, where's G? Be on this page. This is D and E. G. What are these? Let's see, that's D. G as in goil. G as in gall. G as in gosh darn it, I can't seem to find it. Ugh. So look at this over here. That's A. What's this black stuff? Let's see if anything's written on here. Oh, this is the letter I. A, and B. These are like rails. Good grief. How is this possible? Okay, I didn't want to take these out because I think these are just the, oh no, there's some pieces in here. Okay. Tricked me. I was keeping those separate because they're the book part. And I thought that's got to be a last thing to do is to actually put the book together. But no, look at this in here. A bunch of little things, including the cat, are in here. That's going to be a black cat, by the way. So I'm looking for 6, 7, and 9. 6, 6, 7, 6, 7, and that's 8. 9 is here. Okay, there we go. Gotta keep them in this order so I know what I'm doing. So I need 6 and 9. I'll clean up some of this flash. And we are putting it like this. It's just, all this flash just looks so grubby. Or, as I like to say, shabby. So 7 is going in here, and we've already determined that there's no glue happening. So we're just going to line this up as best we can and get it all the way through. Okay. I'm going to do it this way. Work smart. And then this guy, it's forward. So you go in here. All the way through both pieces, though. All the way through both pieces. Okay, not quite all the way through both pieces, but all right, let's mark it. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. There we go. That's very cool. Next, we need 5 and 8 in the G. So G5, there's 2 pieces. There's 2 5s and an 8. There we go. And this one, this is really messy looking. You've got to clean these up. Hey, every single one has a little bit of something on it. And I think overall, it's going to give a shabby demeanor to it. Oh, excuse me, I have to blow my nose. Okay. All right. So, again, are we gluing? No, we're not gluing. We're gluing in this one, but not this one. Okay, so it's the same color on both sides, and it goes here and here. Yes. Wee, goes right in. And then you are going to go in here. God. The more pieces there are, the more frightened I am of this. Because I'm afraid of grabbing it in the wrong way and breaking something. Oh, come on. Get in there. All right, hold on to it in a very good way. All right. Sheesh. Just double check. Yes, the front and this all goes this way. Okay. So I'm going to push it in here first. It doesn't look like it will work. And then it goes in here. It's right in. And again, I apologize. I keep putting it up next to me where I can grab it. But there we go. And look at that little random piece of flash right there. It's bugging me. You know you're bugging me. This is why I was painting it. Because it's just so weird looking. And this one goes in the front at an angle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. In. Okay, that's really cool looking. But again, you got this white color and the brown. I want to paint it. That's all I keep thinking about is I want to paint this. So, oh no, wait, see? There's something that covers it, so no need to paint it. So we need something called C2. Now C is the thinner sheets. There, where you are, down here. Okay. C2. C2 here. Some edge work here. So it looks like the roof is going to be green. Okay. Oh God. You want me to bend this? Oh boy. Let me just look real close to see. All right, well, I'm holding it the right way. Am I bending it? Please don't snap. Please don't snap. I'm just bending it a little bit. Just bending it a little bit. Okay. There. Maybe that's enough. And then this goes in here, but I'm also gluing it. Bend carefully. Apply a dab of glue and press for 10 seconds. And then there's C13, which goes in the front. I'll get this one here. Ooh, so there you go. See, no need to paint all that little interior structure stuff. No need to paint that. The roof is green. All right, where do I dab? Okay, put a dab on the side here and then hold it down. Oops, jeez. It just squirts right out. There you go. Try to spread it around. Okay. Whew. And hold it for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I would say if there's anybody out there who wants to go to Japan, do it. And if you're afraid of the language barrier, don't worry, stay in Tokyo. A lot of people speak English, and you could get by with just a few hand gestures and saying I'm sorry. Sumimasen, sumimasen ga. That's I'm sorry, and I'm really, really sorry. People are okay if you're polite. And be polite and don't be a dick about it and be stuff. I hope that was a good spot to glue it. Oh, now it seems to be. All right, it says hold for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, but also don't press too hard. All right, so now, oh, it keeps coming up. Bend carefully. So it goes this way. This is definitely the way to bend it. And then I guess it goes here. Okay, I'm not having good luck with this glue on this side. Keeps popping up. Hold it for 10 seconds. Or 15. Or 20. Whatever you feel comfortable with. Maybe I didn't bend it enough. So now I'm going to do this, and I'll be holding two things. Because this goes on the front here. All right. Right there. Okay, well, I think we're doing a great job with this. And oh man, did that stick to my finger? It did. Did it stick to my finger? It certainly did. And I'm going to take a little break. I'm going to take a little Twitch break. And I'm going to come to the end of this week's video, or this particular video. Wow, that is not gluing at all. And after I said all those good things about you, glue, because you are a pretty darn good glue. I just feel like I'm not pressing it in the right spot. Do I have this triangle the right way? Wait a second, is this supposed to be this way? Am I an idiot? I could be. I think it was supposed to be this way. I think it was supposed to be this way. That's the Wi-Fi network. You might want to check the connection settings in the Google Home app. Thanks, Siri or Google or whatever your name is. There we go. Yeah, I had it the wrong way. Thank goodness it didn't glue. Do. It's amazing I get anything done. That looks very nice. So we're gonna bring this episode to an end, and everybody watching on Twitch, I'm going to be taking a little break to get something to eat, just a snack, and then I will start up again. And everybody watching on YouTube, I'll be back in the next episode, whenever that is, and maybe I'll do some painting. I don't know. Actually, now with the roof, this brown edge doesn't look that bad. I still think I want to make the stairs black because I feel like they would be black stairs, like made out of metal or something. But this is so cool. Still a little upset that I didn't get a chance to paint those people, but oh well. Okay. Thank you very much for watching me. This is Dark Ephemera, Dark Arts and Crafts, saying bye-bye. Thank you very much, and join me next time when I continue building Sakura Densya Cherry Blossom Tram.